Ever felt like your business is stuck in the slow lane, while others are zipping past? You're working hard, putting in the hours, but something's just missing? Maybe it's your point-of-sale system. A clunky POS can be a real bottleneck, slowing down transactions, messing up inventory, and generally making your life harder. That's why today, we're diving into a game changer for many businesses. Lightspeed. Specifically, we're tackling the big question. How do I start with Lightspeed? Lightspeed is a powerful cloud-based POS and commerce platform designed to streamline operations for various businesses, from retail and restaurants to e-commerce and golf courses. It's known for its user-friendly interface, robust features, and scalability. But getting started can seem daunting. Where do you even begin? That's what we're here to demystify. First things first, let's talk about choosing the right Lightspeed product for your business. Lightspeed isn't a one-size-fits-all solution. They offer different packages tailored to specific industries. Are you running a busy clothing boutique? Then Lightspeed Retail might be your best bet. Got a bustling restaurant? Lightspeed Restaurant is designed with your needs in mind. Selling online? Lightspeed Ecom can seamlessly integrate with your existing setup. And if you're managing a golf course, well, they have a solution for that too. So, step 1, head over to the Lightspeed website. Don't just browse. Explore. They have detailed information about each product, including features, pricing, and case studies. Take your time and read through the descriptions. Watch the product demos. Identify which package aligns best with your specific business requirements. This is crucial. Choosing the right product from the start will save you headaches down the line. Once you've identified the right product, the next step is to request a demo or sign up for a free trial. I highly recommend taking advantage of this. A demo allows you to see the software in action, ask questions, and get a feel for how it works. It's like test driving a car before you buy it. You want to make sure it's a good fit. A free trial, on the other hand, lets you get your hands dirty and explore the platform yourself. This is invaluable for understanding the user interface and discovering the features firsthand. Now, let's say you've completed your demo or trial and you're ready to commit. Excellent. The next step is to contact Lightspeed directly. Don't be shy. Their sales team is there to guide you through the setup process. They'll help you choose the right plan, discuss hardware requirements, and answer any lingering questions you might have. This is also a great time to ask about any available integrations with other software you use, like accounting or email marketing platforms. Speaking of hardware, let's touch on that briefly. Lightspeed is a cloud-based system, which means you'll primarily be using devices like iPads, tablets, or computers. You'll also likely need peripherals like receipt printers, barcode scanners, and cash drawers. Lightspeed can often provide recommendations for compatible hardware, or you can source it yourself. The key is to ensure everything is compatible with the Lightspeed system to avoid any technical hiccups later on. Once you've finalized your plan and sorted out the hardware, it's time for the onboarding process. This is where Lightspeed really shines. They offer comprehensive onboarding and training to get you up and running quickly. This typically involves setting up your account, importing your existing data, if applicable, configuring your settings, and training your staff. Don't underestimate the importance of proper training. The more comfortable your team is with the system, the smoother the transition will be. Now, let's talk about data migration. If you're switching from another POS system, you'll likely want to transfer your existing data to Lightspeed. This might include customer information, inventory data, sales history, and so on. Lightspeed can assist with this process, but it's crucial to plan ahead and ensure your data is clean and organized before the migration begins. Garbage in, garbage out, as they say. Another key aspect of starting with Lightspeed is setting up your payment processing. Lightspeed integrates with various payment processors, allowing you to accept credit cards, debit cards, and other forms of payment. You'll need to establish a merchant account with a payment processor and link it to your Lightspeed system. This is a critical step, as it directly impacts your ability to process transactions. As you're setting up your Lightspeed system, don't forget about inventory management. This is one of the most powerful features of Lightspeed, and it can significantly improve your business efficiency. Take the time to properly configure your inventory settings, input your product information, and establish your reordering processes. A well-managed inventory system can help you avoid stockouts, reduce waste, and optimize your purchasing decisions. Now, let's talk about ongoing support. Lightspeed offers excellent customer support through various channels, including phone, email, and chat. Don't hesitate to reach out to them if you encounter any issues or have questions. They're there to help you succeed. Also, explore the Lightspeed knowledge base and online resources. They have a wealth of information available, including tutorials, FAQs, and troubleshooting guides. Finally, remember that starting with Lightspeed is an investment in your business. It's not just about buying a piece of software. It's about streamlining your operations, improving your customer experience, and ultimately, growing your business. Be patient. Take the time to learn the system, and don't be afraid to ask for help. The transition might take a little time, but the long-term benefits are well worth it. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.